You can own a UK limited company from anywhere in the world. No visa, no residency, often approved in about 24 hours. Let me walk you through it step by step. First, what you need: a valid passport from almost any country, a UK registered office address, a virtual office is fine, and a company name that ends in Limited or Ltd. That's the core of it. Step 2. Your registered office. It's a real UK address where official mail goes and it's public. A virtual office service costs just a few pounds a month and keeps your home address private. Step 3. File at Companies House. Choose a SIC code that describes what your business does, pay the £50 fee online, and you're usually approved within 24 hours. You don't need an expensive agency. Now the part people forget: the yearly filings, a confirmation statement every year, and annual accounts even if your company is dormant. Miss them and your company gets struck off, so set reminders the day you register. Once your company is live, open your business accounts. Wise and Revolut tend to be friendly to non-residents, and a simple, clear website really helps approval. Then you can trade internationally, properly and legally. Want it registered and kept compliant without the stress? The details are below. Tell me your country in the comments and subscribe for more honest guides. I'll see you in the next one.